we'll play myself and Sacra will play a reel on the tin whistle, that a version of a tune that was a version by a very great musician who died about a month ago, fairly near here in a car crash, a man called Michael Russell. And the most lovely version of the tune. This is a version of a tune that he used to play, and it was the Mason's Apron. It's a lovely, simple version of it. We're going to finish up now with a selection of slides, so we'd like to thank you all for coming. We'd like to thank the various people that helped me put this together. Michael Hannon, who stuck up the lights last night, and Pat Murray for running the PA, and a few big strong men who carried in the stage today. Hope they'll carry it back tomorrow. And the parents for encouraging the kids to play, and mostly I suppose the kids, all the kids, and the singers from the school as well, and this is who organised it. So thank you all. Before we do that, we'll have a tune from, I didn't ask him to play it because I didn't find him as a young musician, but a very, very famous musician in Mary called Oliver Gibney. He's just going to get his chord in.